This is the Iron Trader, and this is midday trading. Today we're going to take a look here at Tesla and Apple. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old Tesla, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, Tesla here is trying to get off the old schneid, as they say. So this here pattern, you put in a low here at 152.37. So let's just look at the upside, see where it has to go. There's a lot of resistance here overhead. So if you look here at this 21 SMA here, you're looking at 169.16. That's going to be very key level. Okay, then we want to do is look at this 100 SMA, 169.24. We have the 171.50, the 21 SMA here on your daily chart. Now, here on your monthly chart here, we got to look here at 173.51, and then a key level, if it can get above that, is going to be this 183.04, which is away, but you can see how this 8-day is coming right on down. Now, what we want to do is we always want to look at this candle right here. Okay, this one right here is sitting at 169.70. That's the gap. Then we want to look to this candle, the bottom of this candle here. That's 177.85. That's the fill. Okay, so these are going to be a lot of resistant areas here. And again, if we can get above, then we can look to this 182.41. Then you can look at this 8-day on here on your monthly chart. And then if you can go higher, then you can have the retest here is at 191.58. So let's go ahead to the downside. Now, the downside, the key is we want to start looking at these candles here. So you want to look here at 159.91, and then you want to do is look at this candle here. This here is 162.95. And then what we want to do is look at this key 8 SMA right here. This is 161.30. Okay, that's going to be very key support. But now if you look at this 8-day, you see how it's trying to curl around. If it can curl around, it'll push that price right on up, and possibly through all these resistance levels, and then maybe even to the 50-day or the retest. But you got to be very careful here because there's a lot of really big time resistance in this level. So on the downside, watch this key 8 SMA. That's going to be very important. All right, here we have the old Apple, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, Apple had really good numbers yesterday. The max sales, a little off on that, but they made up for it with their iPhone sales, and they actually increased the dividend, they increased the buyback. So Apple here is looking very bullish. So what we want to do is on the upside, we want to watch these candles. Okay, so you want to watch this one right here. Okay, this candle here is 176.15. That'd be the first target. Then we want to look right here. This is 179.61. And then your big retest here is 182.94. If you can close above that, okay, then you got pretty much blue sky. You're going to head to the $200 area. Now, on the downside, we want to watch yesterday's candle right here. You're sitting at 169.85. Then what we want to do is we want to look to this 8 SMA sitting at 164.78 if that is lost. And then the SMAs here on your daily chart is you want to look at this key 8 SMA here. This is 168.34, and then your 21 is 165.96. So these will all be good key levels here of support. Then if it goes below that, then we want to look to the bottom of this candle right here at 164.31, and then the bottom of this candle here is sitting at 162.80. But this looks like a very good bullish chart. You can see how the 8-day all the way on up, and then all the way on up here. And even when it's sold down, it's holding that key 21-day and then pow, right to the top here. So watch all these key levels here on the upside and then the SMAs here on the downside. All right, thanks for watching.